It is amazing that in spite of there being repeated announcements of good harvests throughout the world, there is still hunger. We find on the one hand farmers burning their crops and killing livestock to make sure that their products fetch good prices, while at the same time there are millions who are hungry, are starving or even dying from starvation. Sometimes, people from countries which are actually rich can go hungry, mainly because they are not exploiting their riches enough. If we look at the rainforest countries, we see that they are among the poorest in the world. Yet they are literally sitting on the factors that actually ensure the survival of the world. Many of these countries burn their forests for agriculture. Needless to say, in doing this they are doing great harm to the atmosphere. In fact, so much harm that it might lead finally to the earth becoming uninhabitable. The sad part of this is that often the lands are not even suitable for farming. But farming must be carried out in order to feed the people of the country, so the destruction goes on. The rest of the world is naturally concerned and cries out in protest, the forest must be saved. But the rainforest countries certainly have a need to feed their people. It makes perfectly good sense that since the rainforest's people cannot go hungry, they should export their forests. To clarify, they should not destroy their forests and in exchange the other countries should feed them. The fact that they leave their forest alone should be their exports. Hence we see that there is no need for the rainforest's countries to be labeled as poor countries and undergo hunger while they are actually sitting on the life-giving treasures of the world. One definite reason for world hunger is certainly because the world people do not think of themselves as the world but rather as people of different countries. That is why we have plenty in one area and hunger in others. Such a situation will not arise if the world sees itself as a single country. We never see a part of a country hungry while in another there is abundance. The people in the abundant area will feed those in the hungry part. Well, if the world could be thought of in the same way and each country contribute what it is most suited for, hunger can be driven out of the earth.